Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Aerox 9. In this video I'll show you how to manage battery saver settings. In the beginning, let's go to Aerox 9 wireless in the SteelSeries engine. Now, as you can see right here, we've got battery saver settings. Here we can change sleeper time between 0 off and 20 minutes. Then we can change illumination dim timer, enable or disable high efficiency mode, and in the end we can enable or disable illumination smart mode. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.